It is now a clean start for the second semi-final of the C2 under 23 men 500 meters. Oh, problems for Italy. They just stopped. Maybe they thought it was a false start. The finalists from the European Championships, they finished sixth. They are out of the race. They are side by side with Japan in the back. They just gave up. In the middle lanes, Romania, Ukraine, Brazil, and in lane 6, racing as neutrals. It's an open game for them. Brazil now with slight advantage for them. Here they are. These are the leaders now. Svinarev and Arsenov racing as neutrals, looking strong, win the blue boat, but watch Romania, bronze medalists from the last European Championships. They don't want to fall behind. And then also looking strong, Sachin Taras Kuzic for Ukraine. But this is Brazil. Till now, the strongest on the semi-final, number 2. C2 under 23, 500 meters. Here they are. And they will qualify in first place, second place for Ukraine, and as neutrals in lane 6, Svinarev, Arsenov, they finished in third place. Congratulations to the qualified crews. Brazil, Mateus Santos will race in the C1 1000 meters, just at 5:10, and Gabriel Nascimento will race in the C1 200 meters. Busy day for them today, so Gabriel Nascimento will race at 15:54. So, qualified Spain, Czechia, neutrals from the heats, from Minsk, and then from the semifinals, Poland, Hungary, Uzbekistan, and then Brazil, Ukraine, and also racing as neutrals. From lane 6, they also qualify into the final.